Hello. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay and type hashtag replay. And yesterday was what is it like? It's such a busy 1 hour, I would say, but I really loved it because it was what is it like? It was like a running race. Like we all had fun together, and it kept me occupied the whole night. You all know, usually I go back to bed by as early by 9:30 or 10:30. But yesterday I made sure I invoiced everybody because I wanted to what is it like hi Deepa, good morning. Good morning, Jyoti. So I know this is a completely new setting because I just wanted to show what everyone grabbed it. Thank you, Jyoti. It is nothing like no, what is it like a lazy Friday. So nothing in my face except my brown eyeliner and black cherry lip sense. That's the only thing it is in my face. Yeah, it's black cherry. That's why like I remembered because this week I made sure I wanted to wear different shades that I'm not usually wearing because sometimes it is like you tend to grab the same kind of colors every now and then. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. So you guys can see what I was busy with. Uh, you can see I was like arranging everything, and I thought I will just share with you guys. So this is what kept me busy all night, and now I need to not only package, I need to see what and all I'm missing. So all these are grabbed during the sale yesterday night. So if you have missed, if you still want to go, that is the fun with messenger parties because I will be able to add you and you can see the messages still. So I'm going to kept it open at least a half day today. That way I can make sure to grab. So let's see what some of them grabbed, and that way you will get an idea. So if you see this one first, obviously she is like, I think she pretty much covered all skincare. So she's got resurfacer, she got gold mask, and then she got detox. And I'm just have to stick on green pencil. I have ordered many of them. What is it like? Ask them in the what is it like in green pencil and purple. I have promised them I will try to get, but let's see how it goes. I will add you, Jyoti. It is in a messenger. I will share the details. So this one she grabbed Big Apple. Some of them are sold out shades. I had last few and they were able to grab. So Big Apple was one of them. This was my last one. It's such a pretty red, and I know the customer is like a red lover, so she grabbed it immediately. And she also grabbed gold mask and the green pencil. And this one has velvet, which is again a sold out shade. Even my velvet is missing. I've been searching it for so while now. So I gave it to her, my last velvet one. I don't have anything I don't have it. And she also grabbed retinol because it's going to be so wonderful to add retinol to your skin routine because it makes a huge difference. And she had grabbed both black and purple pencils, and I have to order Amore for her. And next one is again resurfacer, and she grabbed currant, roseberry, and mud magenta. All three beautiful shades. I need to still keep roseberry. I have it in my other stock. I forgot to bring it. And this one she grabbed gold mask, toffee, the new one I did, and she grabbed mauve velvet. You can see that's how I always suggest to pick. If you see the colors, she picked one gloss from the brown group, one from the purple one. That way you get to do different looks. And she also grabbed starry sky, which I need to order. And this one grabbed praline matte. This is again my last of the stock, which I cannot order it in the website. These are like my last chance items. So she grabbed green and that. And here is another one. she said she still needs to add. She ordered Sugar Plum, Nude Honey, Bellissima, Glossy Gloss, Dark Circle, which was sold out in website for so long. Last week I was able to grab 3, and now I am sold out of all 3. Like Dark Circle is like a one must have in our circle. You will literally use not even half pump. Once you start using, you will know how much it has. And so don't even waste. Hi Deepa, good morning Deepa. So it is like you just use like quarter pump to half pump. You don't want to waste more than that. And here is the detox mask, and this tub will be there for 1 year. I will promise you this will be there for such a long time, because you are going to use very limited amount and it will be there. The fun fact I wanted to say is, in my house, if you see, the plaything for Cloudy itself is like a detox mask. You can see, being a Senajan spoiled house, that's how we play. So he grabbed my that is like a mask, Jyoti. It is like what is it, like it's a detox mask. If you remember the one we did with Shobna, she did half of detox mask with half of gold mask. So that's the one. Oh, dark circle. Yes, it's the dark circle treatment. And I had tiramisu and sugar plum. I need to add her the rest. I need to add her Bellissima and other things. And this one she ordered watermelon. Again, this is like a sold out shade. Yeah, Jyoti, that was dark circle treatment. This is one of the popular one in my group, because if you see, go to the beauty book itself, it says the improvement shown are like 122%. So that's how powerful it is. As I said, once I started applying again, even though I don't have much. Sure, Deepa, that would be great. I'm still, that's why I wanted to show what and all I had. I will add you. I think you are in the messenger, so you should be able to see. So the watermelon is my last one, so she immediately grabbed it. So when the main thing about, if you don't know what is a gloss and which is a lip sense color, the gloss will have that blue ring and the color will have a gold ring. So that's how you differentiate it when you see it immediately. And the next one is again plum and glossy gloss. So I need to add the remaining things. And here I have sunstone, which is like what is the like a sold out shade again. I restocked for another customer and now I am again sold out. So she had black liquid liner I need to add. And the next one is this is my favorite. People like me who always in phone and any digital devices, this is the age defense serum. This is like, it will help to reduce that blue light blue light disposal on our face. And this is such a big bottle. I wanted to compare you with the next one. If you see next to dark circle, you can see how big it is. It is literally our foundation size. So it is such a bang for its buck. So, and it's like a must have. Being in COVID, I think we all are in our phones and laptops all the time. So if you are someone who uses these kind of electronic devices all the time, then this is such a perfect one for you. So this is my favorite, because this is the one that goes first on your face. If you see the exposure, they say if you are doing like 8 hours for some days, it is equivalent to standing in sunlight for like direct exposure of damaging it for 20 minutes. So that's how bad it is, the damage that can cause with blue light. So I know many of you will wear blue light glasses. So this is going to be protecting your skin from the digital damage. So this is called Digital Age Defense Serum, which is part of our skincare collection again. And she ordered green and ocean, and I need to add her detox mask. And here is my another favorite order. Because it's tax free and shipping free, it's such a fun way to stock up, because see, tax itself is almost 8% or more, and then on top of this, shipping it will be like, these are obviously will go in more than priority. So I mean in 1 to 2 days, so it is like another $10 or something. So see, if you see, she ordered climate control brown pencil. That's the one I'm wearing for today. And she ordered the brightening multivitamin, also the Sanasaram C. If you don't know this fact, if you see, these are the actual vitamin C beads. The blue one is the brightening multivitamin we talked about, Jyoti, for the what is that, like any discoloration, acne marks, and it is like they both are almost same. They both, this has vitamin C, this has two types of stabilized vitamin C. The big one, this is climate control. That's my favorite. Actually, in one of the trivia questions I wanted to ask, which is my favorite skincare item of all, then it will be climate control, obviously. So I need to still activate to her, because if you see, let me see whether I can open it with one hand. I always talk about Senaplex complex. If you see here, you will be able to see Senaplex complex here. Do you see how it is? It is two different liquids. Do you see the white liquid and do you see the dark blue liquid? Once I start shaking it, it is in this form because to keep it fresh. So before sending, what I do is I shake this to make it like a light blue gel, and it is like filled with hyaluronic acid. You can see it says hydrant anti-aging moisturizer. So it is like drinking Gatorade to your face, and using Sanasaram C or any vitamin C with climate control, you get more benefits out of it, because hyaluronic acid with vitamin C is going to be boost like anything. And if anyone of Dr. Oz fan, if you go, you can always search for it. He always refers, it is like reversing your age back when you use both of these, and not any vitamin C, because that's what I was explaining. If you see, the beads are encapsulated here. It is like buying a lemon versus cutting it open. So until it is open, that's when it is going to be fresh. That's the reason here it is in the beads. You can see there are only two companies that has vitamin C that is active when it is reaching the customer. Because think of this, if the store already cuts the lemon open and it is not going to be effective, then you are paying the premium price and you are wasting the product. So here this is like, you can take this way, vitamin C, this is normal vitamin C for everyone, any skin tone, whether you have marks, whether you have hyperpigmentation, anything. Because vitamin C, when you include in your system, it always starts to repair your damaged skin cells. And this is like like steroid boosted form of vitamin C. That is how brightening is. You have seen my face. Let me first show, let me reverse my camera. You can see this is no makeup face. You have seen how much mark I had, and this is one of the product. Yes, Jyoti, thank you so much. Yes, so you can see I don't even have CCTM or anything. That's why I still have the redness, because I think I applied retinol yesterday night. So these products are like really works, and that's why I am very confident to show without any makeup on and off, because you need to feel confident about your own skin. Then only the makeup is going to go well. And no, Deepa, you can just send me, you can message me anytime. It is everything included. So unless it is a last chance item, you can message me anything. So so these two are for everybody. These two are like for anyone and everyone. This is like a basic skincare item. I have told many times, I even use this on my son. So that's his favorite product in my house. It is like a very common one, as I was showing, including Cloudy. We all play with these things. So that's the order. I still have to order Amore for her. Let's see the next one. Here we have again Gold Mask collection, and she ordered the new latte. I think even I am wearing latte on top of the Lipsons today. So which one, Deepthi? Let me know which two. Climate control, and climate control is 60, and Sanasaram C is 65, and brightening multivitamin is 75. And she grabbed the last of Sunstone, and she also grabbed the matte gloss, and I have to add her the other things. And I don't know whether I'll be able to, but I have made sure I added one purple gloss for her. And Here we again have the gold mask collection. So if you order as a collection, it comes with the mask and this beautiful bag. Mother's Day is coming, so always make sure anyone you like or even you like yourself, you can order yourself. So it's like your own what is it, like comfort things. And she ordered fuchsia. Fuchsia is one of my favorite. And what else? I still have to do matte magenta and glossy gloss here. I have to do currant and glossy gloss and matte magenta here. Here I have to add black pencil alone, and here I have, she still finished, not finished, she was busy, so she's coming back today. So resurfacer fiery coral shimmer again. It was like a what is it, like a very nice shade. She's a dancer, so I'm sure she will use it. And green and lilac lacquer and ginger snap. I know everybody is crazy about lilac lacquer and ginger snap these days, so that's the one she has. And this is the last order as of now. I'm packing. Let's see what she grabbed. She had the tan foundation. I do have a site where I can compare. If you know your shade from other brands, I can compare and show. Even that's how we found her shade. She was NC44 from MAC, so we compared and we found tan as her comparison. I need to get her medium concealer. And then what else she grabbed? Let's see. She grabbed Primrose, last of my Dusty Rose, and she grabbed last of my Bella Matte, which is a sold out gloss. When I say limited color, what is it, like edition, whether you grab it immediately or at least in the last chance, because these glosses are never going to come. Similar way, I had one last Bella Glossy, which another customer grabbed and she loved it immediately. So that's the one I wanted to show you guys. This is such a fun Friday. Yesterday night I slept really late. I think I almost invoicing till almost 11:30 or something. So then only I slept, and you can see that's why my face is what is it, like little dull. But yesterday my husband also had his second shot, so it was a little busy day. And you guys want to see Cloudy? Cloudy is sleeping. Let me show. See, he's sleeping. Cloudy? Hi, Cloudy. Hi, Cloudy. He's sleeping. So that's why, so I put him to bed. That way I can pack. And so hopefully if you able to catch that, if you want to be added to the the messenger, I can add you, so that way you can go back and see what happened and if anything of the last chance item. Thank you, Jyoti. He's sleepy. Morning he gets up around us for 6 o'clock, so he always go to bed around 9:30. So if you want to be added, you can see some of the last chance items there, and you can always ask me if you have. Yes, Jyoti, I will do. And I know you all already started messaging me, so I will go back and check after this live, and I will start packing and ordering tonight and see you. Yes, Preeti, I will add you too. Yeah, you guys can see the last chance items, because once those are like not in website anymore, so I cannot order you, order those glasses. But if you are able to find it, then I can add it to the order. So either way is fine, and it's tax free and free shipping, no minimum. And thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. And have a wonderful day, guys. Enjoy your Friday, and I will see you soon. Bye.